I'm Tina Batchkalupo, and I am a counselor at Bay Aranac Career Center, and I also coordinate all student club organizations at the Career Center. One of the things that I feel is very valuable about HOSA for our school is we have 7 different health programs, and when we get together as HOSA, we're one. HOSA unifies our students. We have over 300 coming from different career programs, but when we get together for a HOSA meeting, we are one. We are Bay Aranac HOSA. Certainly the medical skills that they're learning in their classroom, through HOSA they are able to take those skills and apply them in the competitive events, and we've just seen students grow leaps and bounds through that whole process. HOSA is the glue that holds all of our programs and our students together. It is the one common theme that we take from the beginning of the school year to the end of the school year that brings the spirit of enthusiasm, competition, skill, leadership, everything that they're going to face in their future, in their college experience, their work life. HOSA just brings it all together, and not only does it bring it together for them, it brings out the best in each and every one of the students that are involved. It brings out the best in us too.